The volunteers were uh, doing their duties very sincerely, protecting the nests, seeing that no harm is done to the hatchlings. The year 2006 saw the beginning of a novel concept, Turtle Festival or Kasav Mahotsav, an opportunity for tourists to witness the unique spectacle of the hatchlings rushing out to the sea. The team had to see that nobody harms these hatchlings. They safely reach to the sea and their life is safe. So, over here also, a short film on turtles and the natural beauty of Konkan were additional features of the festival. This attracted tourist attention. It even helped in tourism. At the same time, they were quite firm on one issue, that is, the hatchling should not come to even the slightest harm due to the tourist activity. The tourists were accommodated in the homes of the villagers. The response to this novel concept of homestay was excellent. Now, these villagers previously were involved in stealing and selling the eggs, even eating. The villagers they had to um, earn for their livelihood. So, tourism and homestay was the best project that was carried out, due to which they could attract the tourists. The Kasa Mahotsav or Turtle Festival, it attracted the tourists. It even gave the local people the opportunity to provide accommodation, lodging and boarding both, to the tourists who visited their place, and this increased tourism in Konkan. A Turtle Friends Club was established in each village, the members being all the villagers offering homestay. All villages would now offer the same rate for homestay. So rate was also the same. So they could go anywhere and accommodate themselves, who the tourists. They gave 10% of their income from homestay for the turtle protection fund. Whatever they earn out of that, 10% they used to give to turtle protection fund. The fund would be utilized for the purpose of protection and conservation of turtles. Modern technology also helped. The festival reached all corners of the world through the medium of the internet and our website. And the website, they have got their own website. Uh, People around the world began to contact the small villages. Just see in this picture how they protected the turtles and enriched the seas. More and more villagers came forward to do this work, and the number of homestay families went up to 35. As many as 800 people began to visit villas in the turtle season. This meant more business for the villagers. Now they realize that tourism can be a source of income. Tourists bring in money, and in order to earn that money, it was important to protect the turtle hatchlings. Now it was a two-way, like turtles were also protected, and the villagers they got their income due to homestay. This was conservation of nature through livelihood. In its true sense, villas became the project's main success story. Children, Sahyadri Nisargamitra, the organization believed that it is only the local villagers who can ultimately offer excellent protection to the local species. As people, those who are living over there, they know their area, they are habitual of visiting the places, so they can work better than other people. If they are given the freedom to do that, the conservation projects became sustainable. With this belief, they entrusted the project to the forest department, the Gram Panchayat, the villagers, and their Turtle Friends Club. All of them, they started handling it wonderfully, and they are really happy to see the project running smoothly and offer help only when necessary. Thank you.